Hi viewers, welcome to the Report 60. Today we'll be covering about Hurricane Ian. Entire Florida neighborhoods are underwater. Let's hear reports from other news channels.
It's devastation that was predicted, with the grim reality of this storm's raw power defies imagination. Ian, now a tropical storm, hit the coast as a fierce hurricane, shredding homes apart in Placida, Florida, tearing off roofs and splintering trees. While in the Tampa area, extreme winds causing this tree to crash through a home. In one of the hardest hit areas, Fort Myers, there were storm surges nearly 7 feet high, nearly double the previous record more than 20 years ago.
Oh my God.
The massive surge of water leaving entire communities completely underwater.
Want to come out?
Roads looking more like the ocean for block after block. Ian packed catastrophic 150-mile-an-hour winds, knocking out power to more than 2 million customers.
We have seen life-threatening storm surge, as was predicted. We've also seen major flooding that's going to rank as one of the top five hurricanes to ever hit the Florida Peninsula.
This team of emergency responders unable to respond. A massive wall of water swamping their fire truck.
Now we have a truck issue, and the guys are pushing the truck out of the bay.
In Port Charlotte, hospital staff working through the storm to protect patients. Other first responders struggling to help those in need, unable to start rescues until after life-threatening conditions subsided. Despite repeated warnings to leave, some people did not or could not evacuate. They found themselves stranded by a 12-foot storm surge, stayed behind in the flood zone, trying to help those who were unable to leave.
And I wanted to help the people in here because they're good people here in Paradise.
This morning, the destruction left behind by this massive blow from Mother Nature is just starting to come into focus.